Well, once again, let's talk about Terra Classic. Now, Lunatic tokens have actually burned a lot of Terra Classic coins. They are the third highest burner of Terra Classic after Binance and the FLNC. Now, Lunatic token, they have really contributed a lot towards the success of Terra Classic, and they will keep contributing. They will keep burning Terra Classic coin. They want to make sure that this coin definitely one day we hit 0.01, and of course if there's a possibility for it to reach $1, of course that's the dream, and that is where we are heading to. Now, Lunatic tokens have actually burned about 1.9 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Yes, 1.9 billion have been destroyed by Lunatic tokens alone, making them the third highest burner of Terra Classic. Now I'm happy because for me, Lunatic token have always been on the news, and these guys are really contributing all their best. That shows that I believe with very soon we'll be recording more, and very soon they'll be hitting about 2 billion bonds, and I believe before the end of this for the end of next month they might be burning over 2 billion, and I believe for the end of this year they might be burning a total of about between 2.5 or 3 billion coins of Terra Classic. So for me, Lunatic tokens have really done a lot of good things. A lot of they have really tried. They've really tried to help push this coin back to the top, and I'm happy. Okay, because by now I was expecting some other top burners, other top exchanges to be at this position, but for them to take this position, they are really giving all the best to Terra Classic. Now for Terra Classic LUNC, the burning will definitely increase very soon. I believe that once we record high market cap. But now for me, I believe hitting $2 billion market cap is going to be a good record for Terra Classic, because with $2 billion market cap, Terra Classic will be trading with over at least 500 million to about $800 million trading volume on a day. So just remove 1.2% of that amount and convert that to coins. That number of coins will definitely be what Terra Classic will be destroying on a daily basis. So it's going to be huge, and I believe with time we are going to succeed. With time we are going to progress. With time the burning will increase. With time the burning will reach where we want it to be. So for now, let's keep supporting this, and let's really show appreciation towards these bond portals. They have really done their best. They have offered their best towards Terra Classic LUNC coin. Let's hope for the best, and I believe in Terra Classic. But remember, if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. And while every video we mention here, please remember these videos are not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.